Okay, for this lesson, I'm going to show you guys how if you have some confusion about wants or needs, you can simply go to Google and you can find some good information. So if you're confused about the difference, you can always type into Google difference between wants and needs in, whoops, I can't spell business. Okay, and then you can see right here is a really good definition. So businesses make a profit by providing things that people need and want. You can go through. You can also scroll down. This one looks like it would be a good resource. Let's see what this has to say. Okay, so this starts out good. Okay, so it looks like this has a lot of great information for you guys. There's a comparison chart, some definitions, differences. Okay, so right here's the comparison chart. So it kind of goes through and it compares the definitions. Okay, definition of both the words. There's a list of differences, and then it gives you conclusions. So that's a great resource right there. Maybe if you want to do something else like a list of wants and needs. Okay, and then here you can see something, clothing, medical care, shelter, so things like we just talked about. So there's all kinds of information that you can find on the internet if you need some help with figuring out the definitions of what we were talking about.